people who'll say you can't learn it all in a day, but actually the things that go wrong with Resin Bound, the fundamentals, can be taught in a day. Of all the issues that we ever see arising, there's probably 4 reasons which can all be eliminated with a bit of organisation and just understanding what it is. The skill and the craft of it, has to be developed over time. You'll get a go at mixing a 1-bag kit each, so if one of you starts by mixing and then the other one will lay, you'll just get a little bit of an idea of the things that I've been talking about.
We understand that the product's the future for landscaping. It's a lot more easier, quicker to put down what it is block paving. It looks much better, and we just thought we're going to support Vuba on it, and we've got quite a few landscapers in there who are using it.
And then in the afternoon as well, we tried to do the practical outside with a big mixer, 4 at a time, 2 people mixing, 2 people laying. We'll have a little seminar where we'll go through the price list, explain in a bit more detail, how it might work for people that want to be on our approved contractor list, how that works as well. If anything's to be driven on, it needs to be a blend of sizes, from small to big. It needs to knit together, and it's much stronger in a range of sizes than one individually.
Really quite informative, know everything that they're talking about, break everything down that you need. The information is brilliant, they're all really helpful. Any questions that we've got, they're just always willing to help a hand, really.